it back when you were finished.
Uh-oh, see what? They're falling off. Okay, we just put a little sugar water on them. It helps keep them from flying, and also kind of gives them something to do. Going in my gloves. I don't know,
Want to
take
move
the
it
box
closer?
up there, or whether just
Get your ladder a little closer.
I'd move the ladder closer if I were you.
say to catch a swarm, you need 3 arms.
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
One to hold on the ladder, one to hold the box, and one to run the nippers.
I'm not gonna go near those.
Just hold on to the very, oh yeah, you can. It's gonna drop, isn't it?
I'm not careful, yeah. Move back, move back.
Oh, wow. Did it with one hand.
They're on 2 branches.
One filled my hair.
Oh.
That's why I'm staying back.
Yeah, stay back, that's fine.
Didn't get all the wings wet. Those first came back.
Whoops! Stinger?
It's trying to sting you?
No, but when I poked at it, it put its butt up, and boy, that stinger just poked right out. You know, its butt, the little stinger that comes out? See it right there?
Yeah.
Normally they keep them retracted, but when I poked around at it.
Yeah, turn it back the way you had it. I could see it when I walked up, but I don't know if it's still out.
No.
Don't make him use his stinger so he dies.
I'm not. Gonna take the girl home and put her to work.
You got one in between your fingers too.
Yeah, I know it. Eating the sugar.
Take her home, put her to work.
See, okay, Steph, come here. See this one right here with his butt in the air? Get a picture of that. It's blowing the scent of the queen out so these other bees can find it. See it there? See it? It's butt in the air and the wings just going like a fan, blowing the scent of the queen out. And these other bees are all going to come down here and find it.
Oh, really?
Okay, I'm a little too close now.
Do you want some honey? Oh, look at that bunch up there on the
Look
branch.
at 'em
Oh, they're
inside
going up there.
Look at them inside of their fan. A whole bunch of them in there the same way. That's how you know the queens in there. Because they're
Look
blowing.
at that big blob up there.
Ouch!
Oh,
I don't know if I got stung by one. Up my pant leg. I think I probably did.
how did it get up there? That's weird.
You want me to stop the video?
But it's got something else poking me, but
There's probably a bee
probably a bee right up my.
Nothing else would have poked you.
Yep, there it is. It just dropped out.
The first bee sting in a year?
Even your bee suit,
Look at that. See that?
even your bee suit wouldn't have helped that.
Yeah, it would.
Yeah.
Not if it got up in your under your leg.
Yeah, because it has little.
Wouldn't the pinchers, the pliers do better than the knife?
Nope. My first bee sting ever.
Oh, really?
And that was just because it got up my pant leg and couldn't find its way
Couldn't
out.
get out.
It's the pants have elastic on the bottom, so they don't.
See the barb on that stinger?
Can see a blob, but
Oh, gosh, that's,
Along with all these guts
Yeah.
attached to it.
yeah. No wonder they die if their guts come out with it.
Yeah. Dang it, that hurt.
It hurt or it hurts?
It still hurts. It shouldn't be bad because I got it out quick. They say if you get them out within about 30 seconds, well, you really don't get much of a dose of poison out of them.
I got some stuff in the house that didn't want it.
would have been me. I'd have been real ticked.
I'd like some others to come down and join them, but
Maybe they can't find it because it's too far away.
set this up on top up there.
Or be patient.
Again, where he is.
Hope the wind doesn't blow it off.
Go off there. They don't have a mess. A little bit small, but you only get 3 pounds when you buy the box. When you buy them, so.
The wind's not really helping because then they can't get the smell anyway.
Blow off there.
Hello.
Dad was throwing a fit. Just leave them alone. Don't mess with them. He says those will be bees that sting. He says all bees sting.
Who said that?
You're still videoing?
Yeah, the whole time.
Stop it.